In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Activision account. If you don't want your account of Activision anymore and if you want to permanently delete it, then in this video, let me show you how it's done. There are a few steps that you need to follow, so make sure you keep watching this video until the end. First things first, let's head over to Activision. Search for activision.com on the web browser and it's going to take you to the website. Next, you'll also need to be logged into your account. So once you're logged in, you'll need to head over to the profile section right here. From your profile section on the left hand side, you can see a couple of options. Head over to privacy and security. And from here scroll down and you can see a section called deactivate Activision account and Call of Duty game data. So underneath that, you'll also see an option called if you wish to delete your account and other information. You can just click on or head over to privacy and data protection. So just click on this link. And from here, you need to submit a request of deletion. So just click on submit a new request. Scroll down from here and pick your country of residence. And then click on I have read all of the terms and conditions. And then click on proceed to privacy and data protection portal. Once you click on this, in the next section, you can see a few things that you can do within it. Now the thing we'll need to click on is the third option, which is delete my personal information. And again, you can scroll down and pick the Activision account and type in your email address and the password. Click on I'm not a robot and click on login. Once your Activision account has been selected, you can again scroll down, click on I'm not a robot, and you'll need to check this box which says I accept Activision's terms of use, and then click on delete my personal information, and your request of deletion of Activision account will be sent. And once the request has been sent, they will delete your account of Activision. So that is the process of deleting your Activision account. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily videos just like this.